Today we are doing the ultimate peep burn, or making the king or queen of s'mores, using all these various kinds of peeps and then all these different kinds of chocolate. We are taking s'mores to the next level, and we're figuring out what are the best peeps and what are the ones that aren't so good. Interested? Here we go! It's an honest review. Nobody's paying us anything. All this chocolate, all these peeps, I bought myself. All right, so what we have here is some testers and some peeps. This is the fireplace that we're gonna burn the peeps on. This is a backpack portable stove that burns wood. I've got a different review of that. I'll put a link right there. We're gonna test the various flavors and we'll see how this goes. I don't think these color flavors taste different.
They don't.
And we're gonna try bunnies and birds and see if they taste any different. But we do have party cake, blue raspberry, and fruit punch, which is kind of an artificial weird color for peeps. We're gonna eat a lot of peeps today. So we're keeping it healthy because we're each gonna have our own paper plate, and we're gonna cut the peeps into pieces because we gotta eat a lot of peeps. The blue peep. You get a piece and you get a piece.
A piece?
Here, where's your paper plate?
You cut that.
You want the eyes? Ooh, you get that piece.
Yeah, I get the head.
Okay, maybe what we'll do is we're going to put a whole bunch of different ones on here, just the colors, and then we'll test them at the same time. Show them your Franken peep.
I've created a Franken peep.
Okay, great. So we're going to eat the blue peep first. And you can take a little, you don't have to eat the whole thing, just a little bit in case you want to go back and compare flavors. Tastes like a peep.
Marshmallowy.
Okay. Yellow. And if you have two ears, eat one of the ears off the purple. Oh, it's only me.
What about the...
Okay. Eat.
Yeah.
They all taste the same.
Yeah.
I mean, really, by the end of the day, it's just
They're all
marshmallow.
sugar.
It's marshmallows covered in artificial sugar.
Yeah, but that's what great thing about when you put them on in the burn when you roast the peep, right?
Even more Franken peep.
Yeah. Well, they're all the same. So now we're gonna go to the flavored peeps. So we're gonna cut and get them all set up. Show them your next Franken peep. Okay, so one thing we noticed about these is that the flavored ones have a different color marshmallow.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, internally, but they have no organs.
Really?
So
I guess,
we're
like,
not missing out on anything.
Okay, so smell the red one first. Does it smell like anything?
Yeah,
Smells
it's, it's
Smells
definitely
like fruit punch.
Fruit punch.
Smells
Okay.
like fruit.
What's the blue one smell like?
Smells
Blue
like
raspberry.
blue raspberry.
Sour raspberry.
Really?
It's a duh.
Or the birth cake?
It smells
Smells
like
like-
cake.
Smells like a vanilla.
Okay.
Something.
Strong on the vanilla.
Okay, so let's try the birthday cake.
Vanilla.
Yeah, but not anything.
Yeah, it's
It's kind of a.
It's covered in color.
It's disappointing.
It's kinda, yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think? Not much flavor.
A bit of vanilla.
I expected more from that.
It's really strong on the vanilla.
Is
Well,
it?
Ethan-
Okay, so blueberry.
Blue raspberry. Oh!
I'm not disappointed with
That's
this one,
popping.
Yeah.
That really.
That's good.
Is it?
though. Yeah.
That
Flavor's
is some
really
good
strong.
blue raspberry.
Okay.
Fruit
Alright.
punch. Sink
Oh.
it. And sink it. Oh,
Mm.
definitely taste some fruit in there.
Yeah, fake fruit. Artificial fruit. So what do you think? If you were to rank these peeps.
I'd rank birthday cake last. I'd rank
Party
fruit
cake.
punch
No, no,
second.
whoa! So, birthday cake before, like generic peep.
No, it's after generic peep.
Yeah, generic is usually the.
So, better than birthday cake? Or
Yeah.
not?
Party cake is better because it has that vanilla
Okay, and then-
taste.
Fruit punch.
Is
Yeah, fruit-
second. Blue raspberry is the best.
Okay, put it up there on top.
It kicks your tongue.
Okay, so this is the ranking of our peeps. You like the blue raspberry, then
Yeah.
the demon peep, and then the blue. You like the birthday cake over the red.
Yeah, because it has the taste of vanilla in it, which is very...
Yeah, but it's not distinct. It's just kind of there. It's not. Nothing's popping. If you've never done anything like this backpack stove, it's great for this kind of thing because it's small contained. We actually have it on a
Yeah, watch your
terracotta pot saucer because it does do hot ash. So show us your victims.
Show us your peeps.
I'll just kind of get it over there. And
Melt the face first.
the other thing we're doing is we're doing half s'mores with mini bars because we're going to eat so many of these things. Trying to find the best
Dad?
flavor. These are like horrible look. It looks like they're on fire.
You burn alive.
All right, maybe we're going to wait till after we get coals. Okay, we got lots of competing noise, but here we go. And I was reminded that graham crackers, at least these, are not gluten-free, so if you're a gluten-free person, you're just going to have to eat the peep. All right, you
Or
can
get
rest the
gluten-free
peep
graham crackers.
on the edge.
There's not enough room.
This is like a fondue thing. All right, try not to contaminate your peep by another peep. But see, look at how it crystallizes the sugar.
Oh,
Your mom's got the right.
Look at that. All right, I'm going to pull mine back.
Okay.
Because mine is perfect.
That's
You got your, ooh, look, it's browning. Nice.
good on that end.
Mine's almost
Yeah.
done.
I think you really got to run the peep all the way through.
Yeah.
Ah, man, it's hot. And the sugar is harder than a regular marshmallow. When you're ready, make yourself some more.
It's like,
Ah, you could use like half a peep.
yeah, it's like, oh man. It's
Yeah.
like,
So this is like,
But why?
okay. There's a mini Hershey bar in there with a whole peep and half a graham cracker. So what do you think of this one, the standard?
You think it?
Is it better than Mom's expert campfire
Oh, you
s'mores?
already ate.
I do like the crispy outside. Oh man, the fruit punch. That's really good.
I'm kind of jumping
The thing
ahead
is-
on our evaluation.
the way the s'more holds its structure is the marshmallow melty gooiness. And I guess
love it.
there's a little shell in here
It
that,
hardens.
yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, a future engineer.
Name your peep combination. Standard peep with a Reese's cup, small one.
This is a blue raspberry peep with double chocolate, Reese's, and a Mr. Goodbar.
You're gonna do both?
I am. I'm not having the.
Oh, you're gonna do. Oh, you're gonna put the peep inside the chocolate.
I am
Oh!
not because I can't have the non-gluten-free
Okay.
graham crackers.
So she's gonna do a double chocolate with a peep inside. I've never heard of that one
It's a
before.
complete mess.
What do you got? Hurry up.
I'm gonna do a birthday cake with the Mr. Goodbar with regular graham crackers.
Okay,
Fruit punch with the crackle.
But he's missing graham crackers.
because he's eating them already.
No? No, you didn't give them
All right, what
to
are you
me.
doing?
This is a standard peep with the Reese's Pieces loaded.
Ooh, look at that caramel.
How do you do that, Mom?
Because she's good.
Girl Scouts, lots of years.
And yours is like,
I know, right? It's like the headless peep, or it's got the head only peep.
he's trying to do
I
a
need to
better.
wait for some room.
You're trying to do
Ooh,
a
Mom,
better
look.
Oh, nice.
better ratio of
Mine's struggling
peep
here.
to chocolate.
Come
No,
on.
I'm just doing half peeps because we're doing half s'mores, and the first time it's
here
just
we go.
way
Okay.
too much peep.
All right, now you got to show your chocolate
My,
menagerie
my
here.
chocolate menagerie.
Okay, so-
All right, here we go.
Here we go.
It's gonna melt all over the place.
Okay, it's not. It's gonna be great.
There we go. Chocolate.
Double chocolate with peep inside. That's the gluten-free version of a peep.
It's a mess.
All right, yours is good. It's falling off the stick.
Mine's not doing anything.
Pull out.
Maybe the birthday cake coating is. See
It's
how
just
good this
puffing up.
backpack thing is? Because it's still really hot.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
There you go. Yours is ready.
Yep,
I might have
yours
to
is
pull
ready.
away really
That
soon.
that
Five,
head is
Yours
Four.
is. It's,
Yep.
I'm getting
it's
out.
done.
Yeah.
Get it out of there.
Punch out.
Okay, so how do I want to do this? I want to do it like
This is a severely toasted peep.
Okay, you got to show your invention.
mess.
You can't even see the inside. All right, here.
Oh,
There it is. Oh, and it's melting perfectly. Hurry up, get it out of my hand before it falls out.
you mean it's melting the chocolate?
Look, he's getting big.
Oh,
Yeah.
can I eat it?
So what is this? This is the.
Fruit punch and crackle.
Oh
and
wow,
crackle.
it's melting the chocolate. Holy
With
cow.
Okay.
Tiny graham crackers.
That's insane. That's melting the Reese's.
Yeah, well, that's the whole idea, isn't it?
Mine's done.
Melted
Oh.
chocolate and peanut butter.
Oh, very good.
I told you the fruit punch is awesome. I think the birthday cake.
Birthday
is
cake and Mr. Goodbar.
There it is.
He likes lots of
smush.
marshmallow. You know, they have those giant marshmallows. That'd be no different than
Yeah, exactly. I think the Peeps are better.
Peeps are better because they get that little caramelized sugar
They
thing
get
on the
that
outside.
crusty.
Here, can
That's
somebody
really
take
good.
Somebody take what?
Oh,
get
Need
mine?
help?
Yeah, just hold it. Okay, this is how you make it. You put the chocolate on the bottom. You put the peep on the top. Chocolate on the bottom. Turn it all
And
around.
turn yourself around. Yep.
And then
That's what it's all about.
oh.
It is
It
currently.
just
It's melting.
so there you go. It's melting. How does yours taste?
it actually was
How's
pretty
the
good
birthday-
with the extra pieces in the standard.
Yeah. How about you with the
crush it on
birthday
the other
cake? How's that
side.
taste?
It's
Uh-oh.
a little too much.
For
It's
you?
a bit
Say
overkill.
that?
It's a bit overkill. I'm just gonna say that.
I'm shocked.
I'm actually
For
quite
him
shocked.
saying that, it's pretty
So
overkill.
you said
It's kind of hot right
the
now.
birthday cake thing is an overkill, but see how that melts? That's really nice combination there.
See if we can get a.
I've always
Oh
wanted
wow,
to do a
that
combination
really
of
has melted.
Reese's cup. I think if you used a big Reese's cup, it'd be too much.
So tell us what your combination is. I'm going to do the fruit punch peep with half of a Reese's white egg special Easter thing and graham crackers. What are you going to do?
This is a party cake with a dark chocolate Hershey.
I'm doing fruit punch peep with a Rice Krispie Hershey's
Crackle.
crackle Hershey's with honey
Hershey's.
graham crackers.
Okay, and what's the mystery lady doing?
The mystery lady, purple Peep, because that's my favorite color, with the double chocolate, Mr. Goodbar, and Reese's cup.
So you double down on the chocolate.
I do, absolutely.
Such inefficient fireplaces, sometimes you have to fuel it again, get it up to speed, but that's what it looks like when it's burning. All you got is a little bit of ash left. It's pretty impressive. All right, so get your peeps in there. See how the sugar melts and it kind
Caramelizes.
of caramelizes.
There we go.
Goodness.
Okay, what's yours? Do the reveal.
All right. Oh shoot! I need to get it in all the crap.
All right.
All right.
What is yours?
Birthday cake and dark chocolate.
Well, mine's white chocolate. I know people say it's not chocolate.
Thank you.
Peanut butter
Oh,
and
man.
fruit punch peep. It looks horrible going in, but probably tastes good going down.
Dad, the fruit punch actually tastes better if you cook it. Blue raspberry and Pieces cup. Good with blue raspberry.
You know, right?
You know, it's too fake.
Yeah, it's too.
It's like eating and drinking fruit punch at the same time.
It's like Kool-Aid
Yeah,
Peep.
That's the Kool-Aid Peep. That's exactly what it is. You don't have the chocolate. You have the white chocolate, or what do we call that?
the non-chocolate plus the peanut butter.
I think
plus
the
peep.
dark chocolate.
Chocolate non.
I think the dark chocolate really balanced out the strong vanilla taste in the party cake.
I have to agree with you.
So,
Dark chocolate.
Name your favorite Peep
Blue raspberry.
and
Pieces cup.
Reese's Pieces cup. What's yours?
I would say party cake and dark chocolate.
Hey, how about you?
I'd say fruit punch and crackle.
I don't like that fruit punch thing. I like the blueberry thing with the minis Reese's cup was my favorite so far. Another round? Last round?
Yeah.
All right, last round.
That's round.
I've got a blue peep with, we're trying this gold caramelized cream. Once again, we are not endorsing any product. These are all things we bought ourselves. Peanuts and pretzels. What's yours, mystery lady?
I've got a partial Reese white chocolate, a Reese cup, and a Mr. Goodbar, along with a standard purple Peep. I don't know how I'm going to put all that together.
Blue raspberry with Hershey's Gold.
So mine is, it's a standard blue peep with Hershey's Gold. Yours
What you
is
got
a
over there,
fruit
bud?
punch with Hershey's Gold. What do you
And-
have?
I have a white chocolate Reese's egg with blue raspberry.
Okay, so great combinations all. Yours is going to fall into the fire and it's going to be a nightmare. Tell us what you think when you bite
Show
into
your
that
peeps.
creation.
Sink it.
All right.
Nobody else has done. And sink it.
Oh, we have a smile
Yeah.
and a head
You
nod.
like that?
Yeah.
That's the Hershey's Gold plus
With
fruit
peanuts and
punch
pretzels.
peak.
Oh.
Oh God, that's too much of
He's
kid
curling up.
intensity. What?
He's
Okay.
curling up and burning.
Yeah. All right.
Trying.
That's a whole peep, right? That's not half.
Yeah.
You did half a peep. Scary. It's like you gouged their eyes out. You have to get over that. You're trying to get yours in there, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah,
Go
this-
put your guy in there.
it's gonna have to be.
You're gonna have to get it down low because I think we're running out of
Are we running out of juice?
All right.
final rounds. My peep, my peep, my peep is better than bacon.
Bruh.
You're making everything out of bacon with that now.
It's because it has sugar. Everything is
Peeps and
better with
bacon, no.
All right, we're almost there. We're almost
Come
there.
on, I'm
We're almost to
oh,
the.
man, this is
bacon flavored peep.
like blue raspberry with Hershey's Gold.
Okay, mine's a standard peep. Oh, that's the way to take them off, just like that.
Is
Well,
that a smush?
Oh wow, this is
But
like
the smush is,
really
part of the
melting.
fun, right?
Let's.
Yeah, but it's. Oh man, those
It's
things.
hot.
It's Yeah, it's like radioactive hot with that sugar. Okay, I'm gonna come around and do my evaluation.
All right.
Yours is bubbling up.
I know.
Yeah, that's
I
like
now-
really big.
I now have a fluffy bunny. Okay.
Oh boy.
A fucking
You
burn.
get bad.
Oh, God.
Very
I'm gonna go
quickly.
into inappropriateness pretty quickly.
Hopefully.
Okay. You had fruit punch or the right one?
That blue raspberry.
How'd you like that?
That's caramel cream with pretzels and nuts. That's an interesting combination.
Yeah, I liked it.
That's pretty good.
Melted.
I think that's my favorite.
Yeah, see?
Yeah, this is my new favorite.
What? I couldn't hear you. You were chewing and talking at the same time. Try again.
Yeah, this is my new favorite.
Okay. So that's your favorite. Mine is a Peep with the Hershey's Gold. And you can use cinnamon or regular graham cracker. What's yours?
The one I just ate.
Which is?
The blue raspberry with white chocolate. Reese's with honey. Graham cracker.
What was your favorite?
Fruit punch with Hershey's Gold.
We're not endorsing this product whatsoever, but it is tasty. And it comes in a really freaky combination of rectangles. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more crazy builds, evaluation tests coming soon. And if you like these kind of things, check out my channel. You just never know what you're going to see.